What's going on, guys? Your boy King Jaffe Joe 413 back with another one.
I see you later.
How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. So today, what we doing is a video. My man Ricky, RLSexhaust.com, send me I'm saying, you already know the homie, Ricky, RLS Exhaust. Hold up. I'm saying, so Ricky, RLS Exhaust. RLS Exhaust, let me know. They don't only sell exhaust for Rykers and Spiders. They sell it for like all motorcycles. It's like he's been doing it for like a long year, like 10 years, 15 years, something like that. So if you got any other kind of like two-wheelers, check them out. They might have an exhaust for you. He do a lot of Hayabusa exhaust, so he does a lot of those. So Ricky posted his new product online. I hit him up. I said, yo, Ricky, you need me to make a video for that? He said, sure. Send me your info. So sent him my info. He sent me over new product. Check his website. Show you links everywhere. You know what I'm saying? So he sent me a little note. I got this new twin cool air intake. The twin air intake. You know what I'm saying? One on this side, one on that side. He got that. So that's what his new product is. Installation video I'm going to be doing. Let me know. Easy put together. Super easy. He lets me know in the video, in the note, that when you put the two intakes on, they're not going to line up perfectly on height-wise, but they're going to be pretty close. So, and he mentions this in his website. So if you purchase his website, it does say that. So disclaimer, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't be emailing like, I installed them, they're not matching, they're not lining up perfectly. Life's not perfect.
Letting you know that before you buy it.
You're letting you know that before you buy it. Life's not perfect, you know what I'm saying? But it is pretty dang close. So, let me show you what we got. My man Ricky sent over, as you know, the regular intake. As you, King Jaffe Joe already did a video on this, so I'll put a link, a card, a link, whatever, description link for the original install of the RLS Exhaust cool air intake single on my bike. Now, dual air intake. He sent over the chrome. Obviously, we got our bins there, got our little bracket there. Sent over the air filter. Nice air filters. See? Nice air filters. Good air filters, cool air, washable. Then he sent over the new part right here. So got the little plate that's gonna cover over the other side. Intake on the other side. Obviously, matching intakes. So quick install. So let me install this for you real quick. So first what we're gonna do is, so some of you guys may be here only to see the new product and y'all don't need to see the old product. So we're gonna do the new product first and then we're gonna do the other side after. Quick and easy. So first, what we're gonna do is come over here to this side, move our airbox, transmission airbox. So open it up, pull it to one side, the other side. Quick, easy. Now you got 5 screws you gotta take off. 1 in the bottom, 2 on the sides. 8 millimeters. Installing this on my man Good Smoke's bike because the colors go good together. And also, if you want to, Ricky can, RLS Exhaust can powder coat these to specific colors. So I don't know if it's like any color in the world, but he does have a bunch of colors. So you reach out to him and ask him, and he can powder coat them. All right, so as you can see, easy off. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Look
That's disgusting.
That is bad. He definitely needed to change
I
it.
think I need to change mine. I gotta check mine.
Alright, so now we're gonna grab a few. So when you get it, all these are gonna be nice and loose, so you can move everything around and just tighten it up when you need to, where you need to get it when you get both sides on. So I don't tighten none of the screws up until I get them all in. Sometimes you gotta move it a little bit to get everything lined up, but trust me, the lining of the holes are perfect. Everything goes in straight. And we're gonna tighten them all up, snug them down. All right, so you don't want to over tighten them because remember you are tightening the plastic. So, but get them all snug down, and you're gonna see all the crack gaps in the side all close up, nice and snug. Boom, boom, boom. No gaps in the side. Super easy. Grab our intake on this side. We're gonna slide her on. Actually, we're gonna flip our ring over. Yes, slide her on there. And we're just gonna leave that loose now, just in case we gotta adjust it once we get the other side on. So, super simple. We would tighten her down. That's it. That was like, I don't know, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, something like that. Super short to install the first side. So, if you, all right. So now the others. So, as I said, the other side, we don't have this bike doesn't have an air box on it because it doesn't have it on there already. So if you already have an intake, you don't have to clamshell your bike. If you don't have an intake already, and you have to take the whole air box out, you are gonna have to clamshell your bike because you're not gonna be able to wiggle it out without opening the bike. So I did the intake RLS exhaust intake on my bike before. I clamshelled it, so link in the description, little card I put up there. You know what I'm saying? But if you don't have one, if you already have an intake and you're trying to switch over to the 2 intake, the matching RLS exhaust one, what you're gonna do is just take off both of your side panels, take off your front. You're gonna be a screw for the gasket there, for the hose there. This is gonna be there. You're gonna remove that easy. And now we're just gonna put the new one in here. So what I like to do is spray a little bit of WD-40 on this seal here. That's just gonna make me be able to slide it onto the intake right there a little bit easier. Move it up.
Nice and wet.
Nice and wet.
Pause.
Get her over there. Look at that. See how easy that went on there?
Facing them this way.
Yep. That's gonna face this way because I'm gonna do it from the side, the outside.
Okay.
So we can let me tighten this on first. First, I got the bracket here. I'm gonna tighten up over here, just so I can make sure everything. So this down here is a 10 millimeter. If you want to put a little bit of blue Loctite on there, you can. But you don't want to over tighten this because remember, the metal you're going into is soft metal. That's not hard metal. So you can strip that out or break it. So you don't want to do that and you're going to be in a whole different pickle. So now we got that on there. Hop on the other side and tighten up that clamp hose that we just put on there. Hose clamp. We can reach that right here. Right in there. Boom, nice and down there. Now last thing we gotta do is take our breather hose and slide her on a little nipper here. Damn. That's it. Basically it. Filter on, yeah. Basically it, but now we got our filter. Make sure our clamp's pointing the right way again. So if you're having a hard time with this one too, you can also spray some WD-40 on the edge of this one. All right, so once you get it on there, you're gonna step back over here, right? And you're gonna look at it. And say, all right, so that's pointed like that. So we're gonna try to bring this on that way a little bit more. And then we can turn that one too, to point it, try to get them lined up a little bit more. So all this is adjustable. It just takes a little bit of time. So yeah, like that. Alright, so that one is basically what you're going off of. So now this one, you just loosen these screws up a little bit. They come loose. So you can turn this here. We can loosen this up. You can turn this up and down. Turn this out. Which way do you think I need to go?
Right there.
Right there?
A little bit in.
A little bit in?
Yeah, right there.
Right there?
Yeah, that looks good right
A
there.
little right there. Tighten up your screws. Tighten up your screws. Throw your side panels back on. Alright, so boom. RLS exhaust, dual intake installed. Dual cool air intake installed. Quick, easy, tighten them up, line them up, get them how you want them to look. It's a little easier to line them up when you got someone with you. I got D-Roll with 413 helping me out, so it was easier. Sometimes you gotta hop on back and forth.
Yeah.
It's easier to have someone like a little bit that way, a little bit that way. I love them. I love them. You know what I'm saying? I think I might actually take them off this bike and put them on the green machine. You know what I'm saying? Yo, good smoke. Yo, I know y'all like, yo, why the bike got bird doodle on it? Hit up Good Smoke on Instagram and ask him, because don't ask me. You know what I'm saying?
Shit, obviously parked outside because it got leaves all in it.
Smoke. Conversation.
You're right.
Yo, Good Smoke. Let's have a conversation about this.
About this.
Yo, but thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you check out rlsexhaust.com. Get yourself some. Definitely looks good to me. You know what I'm saying? Get a powder coat to match your bike. Good to go. All right, guys. Check you in the next one. Peace.